If someone can do this after a breakup, they never truly loved you. Let me say this calmly, clearly, and without bitterness. Not everyone who says "I love you" actually does, and the breakup is where the truth shows itself. A relationship can hide a lot. Comfort hides truth. Routine hides truth. Fear of being alone hides truth. But when the relationship ends, all incentives disappear. There's no reason to pretend anymore. No role to play. No image to protect for you. What remains is character, and character doesn't lie. There are certain post-breakup behaviors that are not coping, not healing differently, not being strong. They are receipts. And if you see them, you need to stop romanticizing the past and accept what you are actually dealing with. Let's go through them. 1. They move on instantly like you never existed. I'm not talking about eventually finding peace. I'm talking about immediate replacement. New person, new photos, new laughs, new energy. Sometimes before the breakup dust even settles. Men torture themselves over this. They ask, how could she move on so fast? Did I mean nothing? Here's the truth most men avoid. You don't get over someone you truly bonded with overnight. Real attachment creates resistance. It creates withdrawal symptoms. It creates a pause, even when someone initiates the breakup. If the bond was real, there's a period of internal conflict, silence, processing, emotional recalibration. When someone replaces you instantly, it doesn't mean they're confident. It means they never internalized you. You weren't loved. You were used in a role. Once the role ended, the next actor stepped in. That's not strength. That's emotional shallowness. 2. They badmouth you everywhere to paint themselves the victim. This one is especially revealing. Suddenly, everyone hears a story where they're innocent, wounded, and heroic, and you're the villain. You were toxic. You were cold. You were the problem. Conveniently, all nuance disappears. Ask yourself this: if someone truly valued what you shared, would they need to destroy your image to justify leaving? No. People who loved you don't rewrite history. People who used you do. Badmouthing you serves one purpose: emotional self-defense. They need external validation to protect their ego. They need allies. They need a narrative where they're justified, because deep down, something feels off. A mature person can say, it didn't work. An immature one needs a villain. And if they're campaigning against you after the breakup, it's because they're still emotionally reactive, not reflective. 3. They celebrate your pain or misfortune openly. This part most men don't want to accept. If someone can see you struggling, hurting, or falling and feel satisfaction instead of empathy, that was never love. Love leaves a residue of care, even when things end badly. A woman who truly bonded with you doesn't want to see you destroyed. She may not want to be with you. She may need distance, but she doesn't celebrate your suffering. When someone posts harder, smiles louder, flexes more aggressively the moment they know you're hurting, that's not happiness. That's power play. They're not moving on. They're trying to win. And anyone who needs your pain to feel validated was never connected to you in a healthy way. They were attached to control, attention, or status, not to you. That's not heartbreak behavior. That's ego behavior. 4. They show zero remorse for the time you shared. This one cuts deep. Years together, memories, vulnerability, intimacy, and afterward, nothing. No respect, no acknowledgement, no "we mattered once." If someone can erase the past like it was meaningless, it means it was never sacred to them in the first place. People who truly loved you may move on, but they don't desecrate what existed. They don't mock it. They don't pretend it was fake. They can say, it was real, but it ended. When someone treats the entire relationship like a mistake or a joke, that's not closure, that's dissociation. It's how emotionally shallow people avoid accountability. And here's the hard truth: if they can disrespect the past that easily, they never respected you that deeply. 5. They replace you without healing or reflection. This is where the pattern becomes undeniable. No pause, no self-work, no introspection. Just jump from one emotional source to the next. Why? Because silence forces self-confrontation, and self-confrontation is unbearable for people who never develop developed an identity outside relationships. They don't heal, they distract. They don't reflect, they replace. A person who loved you would need time to process losing you, not because they want you back, but because emotional bonds take time to unwind. Fast replacement isn't proof you were disposable. It's proof they don't know how to sit with themselves. Final truth for men. If someone can do all of this after the breakup, stop asking why you weren't enough. You weren't chosen. And that's different. Love isn't proven during comfort. It's revealed during loss. The post-breakup phase is the audit. And once you read the report clearly, you stop chasing closure. You don't hate them. You don't beg. You don't spiral. You accept the truth and walk away clean. Because the goal isn't to be missed. The goal is to be free. And clarity, real clarity, is how men level up.